Yo, yo, yo. Just give me a minute here. We'll get going. Market's gapping up here. We have oil down. See what the market's really pulling out here in a few minutes.
By the way, after earnings.
Yep. The stock market is up, it's mine. When it's down, it's Biden's.
The AMC beat earnings by 10%. Holy crap.
Oh, still gonna go down. Still a short, eh? Do we short the pop again?
Oh, is that Nasdaq's not doing what I thought I was going to.
Why would that not be the case? Next time they run a worst portfolio competition on GameStop.
Watch out. I am about to wreck everyone. I could do that better.
Really?
I should have bought AMC, dude. I should have bought AMC.
You got no chance to beat me in a worse stock making competition.
ES is much stronger. Evan's good at losing money. Oh yeah, look at that. It is
I'm green on my picks. And then my other portfolio that I have, which I can disclose the picks now because the market's open. I hedged it with like Tesla and AVGO, which I don't expect to do as well. But maybe Tesla goes crazy on earnings and is a good hedge. Well, I don't know.
Man, I would say I want a long here, but just like looking at the overall chart, like when you zoom out into 4 hour, bro, it just looks nasty.
Nasty.
On NASDAQ specifically, the S&P looks a little bit better.
Yeah, I'm chilling here. Don't have anything that I'm really running towards, but am long bias into Friday's high. Once we hit that, I'm gonna be a little more short bias. Looking for the short from previous day high into this range, potentially into this midnight open that is at 898. Would love to use that as a target. We have relative equal lows from overnight sitting at that 764 area. Would love that to become a target for any short in the future, but nice pop, beautiful.
Market pamping here.
No sort of entries here for me, but beautiful price action to the upside, and just want to see us get to that high. Same. Doesn't give me a target or an entry. Just still waiting.
Yep.
All right.
Good morning.
Morning, Minxie. Good morning, Minx. Good to see you.
I know.
Hope vacay was nice. Hope you enjoyed
It was. I love it. If I could be on vacation every day, I would.
Right? I know you were just enjoying sitting in the sun probably the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
Yup. Yeah. All right.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Good morning, sir. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. SPX just hit the target upside that I was looking for Friday before I got stopped on those calls. Before we started chopping, we are back into the gap, just over 7,500 now.
Here's pre-market highs.
You
could have some issues here, but yeah.
Nvidia over previous day high. Google up 2%. Nvidia is now up 2% as well.
Pop it further. Let's go to Friday's high. Come on.
Netflix getting crushed right now, 2.5% down.
Or no.
Yeah, that was my largest position of my GameStop portfolio.
Yeah, over the weekend. Oh no, fuck. Over the weekend, I was scrolling and I saw some like picture of somebody doing analysis on Netflix, and it's like drawing like some falling wedge on it and how it's about to rip. Wake up and it's just, that was before the earnings too. Gosh. Just rough. She needs to break structure to the upside. She needs a change. Next moves higher.
Yeah,
No entries for me.
same.
Not on this. We didn't.
I almost bought red, sold green on ES, but I just wanted the EMA interaction again. I don't want to rush into this.
Yeah,
I know.
I'll be looking for the short likely. It seems like.
Yeah, Q's is about to hit the target upside that I was looking at for Friday around 7:05. Again, if you zoom out, look left on your 4 hour. It's the reason why looking for the longs on Friday down there. And again, both times when that area was tested, we end up ripping to 710 directly after that. And then the second time, it actually ripped to like 745. So that big support was down there on Friday. We got tested and big reaction off of it. I think if we can break in base over 705, we can start getting that move up closer to 710. But 705 is resistance right now. I wouldn't chase. I look for a potential buy the dip, if anything, or break in base over later on.
So we've got about 1,000 orders at 29,200. It's crazy.
Ooh,
Who's gonna long?
take it. I like that because previous day highs at 220, 20 points higher. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah.
That's in line with the thoughts there.
Google's still ripping. Tesla is dumping.
Yeah, Tesla, no bueno. No bueno.
Microsoft, Meta, and Apple are your three red Mag 7s. Meta being the weakest, still moving lower, down 1% now.
Google filled the gap from Thursday to Friday last week. Beautiful.
Yeah.
That's one of my picks in the GameStop, and then Nvidia's up as well. That's my other pick.
Oh, Iron up 14% today. Holy
Iron,
cow.
yeah. What was it? What was that story you posted, Evan? $2.8 billion, something going on. Forget exactly.
Yeah, they had a big deal today or something.
I posted it as well. Let me find it. It's on the Wolf Trading timeline. They signed a $2.8 billion in new customer contracts with leading AI developers.
Nice.
When I posted that, it was up 7% in pre-market.
Pumping more.
Yep. Yeah, I definitely can't touch this now until we interact with DMAs again.
I'm just gonna wait. We
Yeah,
can find
Happy to not be a part of this price run. It's fine.
We didn't pull back far enough on a 5 minute, so I couldn't get in this second leg. But just gonna
Yeah, I mean, for me, anytime price breaks pivot, just hands off, right? Sit on hands. Wait for maybe 15-minute EMA pullback, which is going to take some time.
Yeah.
Scalping it because we missed a pullback shouldn't be justified, right?
I'm looking for a short soon. Also, a call spread.
Yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea. I mean, if you zoom out on the 4 hour on MNQ even, like it just, we're running into that EMA 20 right there. And it just looks like a clean short setup.
There's QQQ 705, SPY, and SPX still have room higher until they fill their gap. From Thursday to Friday session. Google new highs ripping. Nvidia as well. Still have those call swings. They're up green.
RTY and YM aren't doing much. There's a machine outside my window. If you guys hear it, let me know.
Oh, you're good. Can't even hear it.
Okay, cool.
Is it an ATM?
We'll pull back to the sort of block.
No, that's in front of me.
Oh.
Pull back to that high we just took to the left, that pre-market high.
Pull it back, baby.
if it pulls back to 109 and holds, I'm gonna look to take some longs. for a scalp.
We're just drawing higher.
I'm looking for, again, that short or, well, and a call spread, but I was going to start at 705 and I may have, should have. I don't
Trying to
know.
tap into 5-minute gap. As of now, I think this takes us higher.
I really want to see us get 707 on Qs. $707 on Qs, 750 on SPY. That'd be nice. That'd be nice.
Wouldn't that be nice? Pratt & Whitney successfully completed a demonstration of a 3D printing TJ150 engine.
Oh,
They make the engines for all our, not all of them, but they make the engines for the fighter jets. They're like GE adjacent.
Mhm.
They make it for the F-22 and for the F-35, for a number of others.
Are we long for a scalp, guys?
heard that.
I wasn't. I don't know.
It's tempting. It's tempting, Easy.
Yeah, nah. It's okay. We'll hold. We'll wait for a good.
Yeah, exactly. Just based on the 4 hours, almost tempted to get in a short on an MNQ.
Somebody was spoofing 1,000 watts on NQ.
Oh, they're gone?
They're gone.
Oh, that's funny.
That's what I hate about it. Gives like a false.
Mm-hmm. That's probably the liquidity that we were trying to auction to. Just in the way. Just in the way.
Okay, we should get a move higher.
One more pop.
180. I've got a level at 189 at 220.
Google is Googling.
Yeah, she is.
Googly doogly.
Yeah.
Let's go, Google.
Google's one of my picks.
Same. Google and NVIDIA is one of my portfolios, and then I made another one.
Let's see how corn's doing. Oh, corn's dumping right now.
Somebody's already up 7% in the competition. I'm up 1.4 total.
They probably
look at
freaking went heavy on like an individual name like Irene or something.
Yeah, you have to pick two, though.
Here we go.
Keep an eye on
Jordan.
CoreWeave.
I put some SLS on that on GameStop, Jordan, and it's not looking good.
It's not looking good.
I knew it topped out, bro. I knew it topped out, but you know what? Gotta go for it.
Gotta hit this daily gap.
AMD 0 DTE calls coming in 525s at the ask.
42 points away from Friday's high. Once we hit that, I am no longer bullish until market tells me I need to be, which means, really we get over the top of that gap.
Apple coming down 1% now. Watch the AMD volume coming in after that blow too.
Let me see where we've got orders.
New high of day for MES.
We're almost about to fill this gap.
Oh yeah,
SPX.
Here comes a Friday high.
SPX actually still needs $20 higher.
Got 186 orders at 29,400, but nothing.
See if they give us a short off this high up here.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Especially like into 10 o'clock here, build a little bit of a range sideways.
Come on, 707, 707. Also got to remember Google has ass beat on Friday from the news. They also report this Thursday, I think, after it close.
Got a decent opening range gap from Friday to today's open. The midpoint lines up almost perfectly with midnight open, so any shorts, I think midnight open would become a great target.
That's the name of a new podcast that we're starting, Jordan. Midnight Open.
Midnight open, I love that. That'd be fire.
It has to be. Oh, there we go. Getting some red on the MES here.
I'm not allowed shorts till this daily gap hits.
No.
Yeah, let ES come back down to like 530s, low 530s.
Yeah, right there, that 200 EMA on the 15-minute. I see what you're talking about, Maple.
Yeah, I just, after pivot break, like I have to shift to the 15-minute EMA, like the 20 ideally.
The level on SPY we just hit was Tuesday's low for a rejection. Our resistance zone goes up there to 749 for the gap fill. That's where I'm looking for shorts for a little pullback.
I had a level of 189 and I didn't pull the trigger. I was kind of hoping for a second retest of rejection. Let's see if we go back up and reject it. Then I'll enter a short.
Rejection.
Rejection.
Reject. I regret to inform you that you have been rejected.
Rejected.
Google is really pushing.
Yes, he is.
I love the dudes. The dudes.
Apple is not.
Ooh, Amazon up 1.2% today. That was one of my picks as well in my GameStop. Hopefully.
Oh yeah. Come on, I'm up 2% on Google and GameStop. Come on. Keep it pumping. Oh
my God,
Jack
Jordan,
is up
crypto's
13%
saved, bro.
already. What in the world?
Crypto is saved, Jordan. Crypto's saved.
Crypto's
We're saved. Circle's up 2%, bro. We're saved.
Oh.
Gold coming in or below.
She's holding, Biddy. Biddy Corn's holding.
Keep an eye on eBay. No one else likes trading this name but me, but
It's facts, but you killing on it.
keep an eye on this bad boy. Fat rejection on SPY right up here.
Oh, I was muted. I was just chit-chatting.
You good, you good. NVIDIA, keep pumping.
Dude, eBay actually looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this 5 minute gap here. I expect bulls to hold this gap.
All right. For the listeners, that's exactly why no longs after pivot break. 550 down to 39 is not fun.
Patience pays, Maple. Patience pays.
See if we bounce off of this EMA 5.
I'm also in 2 other tournaments at the same time. I'm 91st in another one, and I'm 55th in the other one.
No.
And then I'm beyond cooked on this one already that we're doing, the whole financial tournament.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
pretty
good.
I'm green on both my picks, but these people are just too good picking these individual names that I don't even know exist.
This app's like too much fun to use also. Just
It
like
is
why.
so much fun. I've enjoyed it.
Okay, so we're getting a little dibba.
I was 661st place.
Where am
Damn.
I in ours? Where am I?
You can check your profile. Go to profile.
The profile.
I'll
Out of-
tell you.
Out of 660, right?
Out of 1,000 actually, so I'm actually
Out of like, yeah, over 1,000.
1,800. I have 1,800 people, so I'm actually not doing too terrible here. Stop right there.
It looks like I
Oh
got
wait,
it.
no, that was the last one. My bad. That was the last tournament.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I should have got that shorter call spread that I was talking about.
I'm so sorry.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pullback.
Not for me.
Hughes don't like that 705.
ES approaching 15-minute EMAs. I want the 20. That's at 27, 527 ES.
There we go.
Gosh,
There we
was
go.
There you go. If you're short cover, this is
Look
your
at this.
scaling trigger area in between the 9 and 20. Dude, crazy. We're doing this all live together. 2 weeks. August 3rd. Make sure you
I
guys
know,
have a ticket.
2 weeks. That's crazy. It's coming fast. Really would have rather seen us tap into that previous day high for shorts.
Damn.
Let's go, gold. New low a day. I'm going to cover half here just to be safe. There's 20 EMA on ES. Your 2 opportunities long here are either long, small size 20 EMA, or you're going to wait. Well, CBC is technically bullish, but hold the trade according to CBC, right? If the candle flips short, I'd cut and reassess.
All right, just some more bounce.
Let's see. Let's see.
Unless this 5-minute candle really closes through this gap. I think she could bounce back. I just really would rather see us trade to that daily high.
Trail stop hit remainder gold, break even, just a little green trade. Take the short gold on another account, 3-minute EMA.
Heard that.
SPY, new low of day.
Ooh.
Beautiful rejection at this resistance zone. Hughes sitting at low of day, 705 was a great short area. Now underneath 702.
ES is coming into VWAP.
Watch your sweep around here for the longs. I'm not saying to trade long, but if I was short, I'd offload heavy here under VWAP.
Under the what? Under the what?
Under the what? Under the what?
PLD. Let's see. Google still at highs.
And
man, got that dumpity, bro. Got that dumpity.
Hughes, new low of day.
Yep.
Same.
That's right.
Let's see.
Tesla is going bye-bye.
Bye.
Just broke previous day low.
Covered half gold there, new lows under pre-market pivot.
SpaceX is at 121. What?
Nani?
It's dropping even more.
Garbage.
No way. Hold on. Let me go check SPCQ. Oh, I'm up 150%. SpaceX, you piece of shit. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I keep thinking about this X post I saw of like this guy, he caught somebody in an airport like panic buying SPX shares at the top, bro. And I just keep thinking about that guy, bro. I keep thinking about him. Like he must be checking his portfolio going, what did I do? Oh.
Yeah, it was at like 210 or something.
Oh my god.
That's where I shorted.
That's right.
Dude, perfect. That was the signal. That was the signal, man. There will be signs.
That was exactly where I went short.
Bro, I saw that photo. I was like, yeah, people getting back on this one for sure.
It ripped over 210, went higher. The second it came back down, and I was underneath of it. I was like, ugh, that's ugly looking.
And then it'll drop below 100 and people will freak out. They'll panic sell it when they should be buying it.
I'll start thinking. I'll let it go down to 100. I might dip my toes in there, but I like to see it in the 70s.
Yeah, I want to grab some leaps at 70s, 80s, 70s. I'm watching this VWAP sweep on MES.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm already.
Got a little bit of support here. SPY.
Where's the gap down?
You still have a while.
For SPX, it's like $30 lower.
On NQ, midpoint isn't until about 890. We have midnight open at 898. I think that'd be a great spot to rebalance to.
Oh.
Midpoint of the gap.
Thursday's low on SPY right here, 745.59.
Full gap fill would be like 28,737. Yeah, pretty nice.
I'm looking for 4K on gold. We're at 4,008. We're under low a day, so don't force any more shorts here.
This is looking like you runners want to sell it.
Didn't want to hit that daily gap. Yeah, I'm surprised.
What the fuck? Oh. Dude, it's crazy.
Seems
Just
so
a reminder,
smashable.
right, for your listeners, if you're trading the open and price breaks a pivot, unplug your mouse, turn it off, walk away. Okay, if you FOMO along there, you bought the top. It's 30 points to the downside on ES.
I'm gonna pin this tweet to the top of the nest right here on X. I sent it before market open. It's the SPY chart. Look at the big support green box at the bottom. Look at the red resistance at the top where it says resistance plus gap fill at 748.66 is the level. The top of the red box is 749. That's where we just got smacked at, straight back down.
Smack that.
And then you see that blue line right across the chart right there before market opened up. That's 745.59. That's the support level. We start breaking below that, you go down to pre-market lows in that gap fill. It's that gray box down there lower. I think Apple can be a great swing short.
All right, I covered another quarter here on gold. Nice London orb low tap.
All right, we're moving you up. Seems.
See it from my shadow. Look back at my shades like that.
Smack that.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I like on it, Daniel. an eye on Elf.
Elf, I haven't heard that one in a minute.
Yeah. Got a daily potential bull flag right here. So it had a nice run at the end of June going into July. It's been consolidating now for about almost 2-3 weeks, holding above daily moving averages, just building this flag of consolidation. So looking decent here. It's like a buy time on it and let it sit, kind of like Home Depot.
The D-Pat?
Yeah, I don't trade that name anymore. It's on my ban list.
On my ban list.
It is.
The ban hammer.
I can't trade that stock anymore.
Okay, core, we 7% today.
Yeah,
Wish I did that last week.
I'm looking for longs on it. It's my dumpster diver setup. I sent it last night.
My dumpster diver.
Yeah,
The dollar getting a poppy pop.
What's Will?
Liza.
Will's chilling.
Coin and MST.
Tesla support. Kind of. If you want to get technical, it's underneath the daily trend line right now. It's no bueno. You have the previous lows of support from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. June 24th, 5th, and 6th. From here down to 370. I think Tesla loses 370. Don't be surprised to see it drop like 15, 20 bucks probably fairly quickly. They do have earnings this week, that is correct.
I think we've got a bunch of earnings this week.
Oh, yeah.
We do.
Google is
Kickoff.
one of them.
Yeah.
So is Tesla.
We got INTC as well. You got a few names out there.
I like to see what the 3-minute candle does on MES.
Check. I sent it on the Substack report. The top ones. Hey, you had AMC and Domino's Pizza. I mean, the two leading stocks of the entire market. Let's go.
Dude, Domino's been crushing it, bro.
Right? You got 3M, GM, Schwab tomorrow, Wednesday. You have Tesla, Google, ServiceNow, and IBM. You also have Texas Instruments and CSX. Thursday, you have Nokia, FCX, Lockheed Martin, INTC, American Airlines. Friday, Verizon, American Express. Top ones. IWMRTY flushing here into the gap.
I'll be shopping at the Gap if this keeps up.
Now has a 12.5% implied move. INTC is at 15% implied move. Yeah, they're going to be good movers.
Apple's still weak, down 1.6. Adobe's down 3.7. Everything else looking all right. Green.
All right. We are closing underneath your 30-minute orb. SPY. my SPX. Not looking good.
Yeah, ES making new lows.
Mm-hmm. It sucks. I can't really do anything here. Like,
I know. I wish I was in a call credit spread, but
I should have just listened to the 4 hour, bro. 4 hour had this perfect bounce on the EMA 20 on MNQ. Just like a nice little rejection. Came right back down. Damn.
I probably still could take the call credit spread depending.
Gold short, almost hit 4K. Super clean. ES, CBC bearish, no longs until CBC flips. You could also look at like a 3-minute candle by candle method as a basis of risk. It's been short since 9:48. Pushing into London orb high right now, 75.10.
Q's at the vol here, 700.
Midnight open level.
I'm in momentum short the screen 3 minutes.
Wait, Jay, so you're going short?
Yeah, scalp short momentum the green 3 minute.
That's the long signal, everyone? Everyone long?
Yeah, just want to bit more. And I got taken out on the trail. The trail quick, so how and we already are.
Smart.
Yeah, there's great. So good.
Microsoft new high day?
Hey, some strength there, huh?
Question mark? Yeah, I just got an alert.
Let's go. Google's still looking great.
Meta calls coming in 660s for Friday. Meta also getting a candle off the lows here. Someone bought 1,500 contracts at $795 on the premiums for 1.2 million on those metas about 5 minutes ago.
I'm in 45th place on one tournament. And another one I'm, what we got? 68th. And the Wolf Financial one, I don't know if I'll be able to see it. There's too many people, yeah. 101 plus, yeah. I don't know which position I'm at. The guy that's in number one is up 13.3%.
I was up like 0.5% earlier.
Yeah, I was up like 2.
Mainly just because of Google. But I
Google helping me. I need NVIDIA to get going though.
Did you do 2 or did you do 4 picks?
I did 2 picks, but I did 2 different portfolios to give myself double the odds. So
yeah.
In one portfolio, I did Google, NVIDIA, $500,000 each, and then in the other one, I kind of hedged it, and I was like, "What if Tesla goes wild?" So I did Tesla, and I did as much as I could do in Tesla, like 950 grand, and then I put the last 50 in AVGO. So Tesla's down, but that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted it to be a hedge against like Google and NVIDIA type of thing. Even though I know those normally aren't a direct hedge, but in this case, with earnings the week that it is, I was thinking it would be a good play the way Tesla's been recently. Thought it'd be decent.
Let's see.
Apple drilling in lows.
Thank you. A little slow here.
Gonna make a new low day. Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go green to red. Possible.
I guess I should have hit that freaking short on freaking Q's at 705.
Oh yeah, I know.
Dollar's finding some rejection at this gap from last week. Had a gap from Tuesday to Wednesday. We've already filled it, but still use that gap as a point of reference when we're rejecting that right now.
What's your retail?
If that can really start to flip around, we might see NQ get bouncy, but hasn't done it yet.
Full gap fill, IWMRTY.
Nice.
She was leading it down. Look at all those upper wicks on that pop this morning, and sellers just slamming IWM down.
Taking it down.
Walmart,
Lower
keep this
low.
one on watch. Costco as well. Costco looks good here on your 30-minute.
Short green cover red coming into play here on gold again. They're giving you red candle covers on ES 15-minute as well. 500 likely.
Damn it.
SPY pre-market low is about to hit, and then gap fill. Just underneath.
Yeah, that midnight open is 898. What a beautiful target. About to hit it.
You can see full gap fill get down to the low 74.50s on SPX.
Mm-hmm.
Probably try a long down there.
Same.
Intraday bounce play.
Almost 1030 as well. It should take out the low. So I expect to see a new low after 1030.
SPY, QQQ, Tesla, NVIDIA, Apple. All of these are underneath 30-minute orbs. The only Mag 7 that is above the orb is Microsoft. And it's just from that pop that it just had.
Hmm. Okay, trying to bounce here.
Once it just stays underneath this 30-minute orb, I don't want to see it pop up closer to 746, 746.40. Q is closer to like 702.
Oh, come on, NVIDIA. If NVIDIA turns around and gets going with Google, I could win one of these tournaments I'm in. I don't know if the Wolf Financial one's 2 weeks long, but I'm in one that's just for today, and then I'm also in one that's for just this week. And same picks on those. Google, NVIDIA.
Copy.
I'm Division 4. What does that mean? I've joined 1+ tournament and stayed active. That's what it means. To get to Division
Oh,
3.
nice little pop right there.
Oh, I gotta win a tournament, bro.
There's your bounce.
Throw a stop here. Oh, throw a stop here. Remainder gold and profit there.
Great job.
Your bounce on IWM right off the level. Back testing now.
Trying to short 08s, double 08. Oh yeah, I like you.
I'm thinking about doing the same.
Trailing right there.
This 30-minute candle is about to close on QQQ. It's just a
I got taken
big
out pretty much breaking.
doji candle.
Big indecision.
Yeah, Apple new lows.
Yeah, I'm still sitting on my hands.
I'm in these puts. Just a swing. I have a little day trade on it too, but I'd like to see this one continue to bleed. I'm front running a daily reversal in Apple. Big run up. It just had new all-time highs. And then getting a daily evening star after the overextension. So grab some puts earlier. Just want to see it grind down. Apple now down 2.27%.
Wow, S&P Fear and Greed Index is at 39 fear.
Long.
That's hilarious. What? SPY's in the middle of the range. We're getting 6% from all-time high, 6.5 on QQQ. $39 fear is wild.
All right, 10:30, but open.
Nice
Use your
bounce.
retest of 30-minute orb on SPX.
Order block formed.
Now we have a gap to fill above and a gap to fill below still.
Defending that midpoint of the overnight gap on NQ though, which is more on the bullish side to me. You haven't really actually hit that level though. You just came close to it. I still want to see us work into that high from Friday, to be honest.
So he's getting to view up here on Qs. Projected VWAP there on Qs by 70 cents so far.
Sweeping and rejecting VWAP on ES.
I'm just waiting here.
Snoozy.
Yeah, it's getting a little slow, but I like that for
Long ball, 3-minute CBC, scout.
that.
Microsoft New Hive Day. Wonder if this was the back test short on SPY and SPX right there off the 30-minute orb before it sends us lower to go fill that gap. If we step back over top of it, then it just gets boring for me because then we're just going to be chopping in the middle of the range with a gap from both sides of the chart.
Just slow here.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't quite tap that midnight open, got real close to it. It's just under that 900. Maybe we still need to see it. I know IB says we should take out the low still, but my overall draw is still that Friday high. Still something I'd like to see.
things are starting to base individual names.
Tight range here, but I'm gonna sell half the bold long here. Halfway through the 15-minute 920 EMA. The next target's gonna be VWAP.
don't like that we're just like riding bottom orb here. On a MNQ, I mean.
IWMRTY, new love day. Beautiful back test short again up there on QQQ, 702 up to VWAP, hit perfectly. Is back down here to equal lows.
Gosh, it's been a while since we've seen this dry of a week on the economic calendar. Still imagine we'll have some great days of price action. Even this morning, the two price swings we had were solid. I just didn't have a whole lot of conviction to trade either side of it in those swings.
I'm looking to enter into an iron condor.
I'm in one.
Not a bad move on a day like this.
I got one,
Yeah,
Casey.
I mean, I haven't really been able to do much. We'll see. Might be able to scalp some futures here and there.
I thought I was unmuted before. I'm in one.
You're an iron condor?
Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't know I was muted.
You do
I did NDX today. I sold
Are you a good guy or a bad guy? Oh, fiddy fiddy.
Oh,
Guy
no.
or bad guy?
Oh,
He
no.
is such a bad boy.
Oh, fiddy fiddy, bad boy.
I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy.
All right, scale another quarter out. Gold, 20 EMA broken.
Bad man, fiddy fiddy, but only on
It
the
literally
dance
just
floor.
showed this SPX iron condor at my entry price, and it's not filling. Tesla briefly new lows.
Okay, Dizzy. I have 2 Ernie's plays for you this week.
Ooh,
We gonna get freaky.
I'm down to get free on some earnings. Got some profits I can gamble with a little bit.
The meta's still hovering around my entry.
Did it really not fill that order, you piece of shit? Come on. Yeah, I mean, we're still underneath 30-minute orb. It's kind of looking a little like bear flag just wants to drop. Oh my goodness, it really didn't fill it. I swear, if we reject right here and make a new low of day, I'm gonna be so mad. Our condors never get fucking filled, I swear. That's why I open them individually. There goes Q's. Oh, well, that's a nice rejection. I should have had where's that freaking 990 up to 900. I've been a quick 50 points. IWM still selling new lows. And also beautiful 30-minute or back test on SPY and SPX. We're going to go lower now. Motherfucker.
Give me a green 5 minute to short. Thanks. I'm in.
It's a small range so far on SPY.
Q still has positive gamma. Everything else is negative.
Yeah.
We still have individuals going higher. Amazon's at highs, actually pushing higher. Google's turning down. Microsoft is at highs.
Yeah, you got NVIDIA still trying to hold green. Google, Amazon, Microsoft look decent. Meta, Apple, Tesla are red. IWM is red. Q's looks slightly weaker, I think.
Memory's kind of
SPY.
weak.
Yeah.
There's another
It looks neutral to slightly more bearish to me right now.
Mm-hmm.
I trailed. I'm flat now. I trailed. I got taken out.
Microsoft.
Oxy looks decent.
And Microsoft just, the only issue is it just keeps getting stuck at 400. Like 395, 400. Every time it gets above 400, it gets smacked right back down.
Trust stop remainder gold and profit.
What's oil doing? XOM new high day as well.
Yeah, I just use this baiting two fits because they both 0 to 3.
What'd you say?
What did you say?
Give me a short 3-minute EMA risk.
No, I'm thinking about it too.
Yeah, there's new lower day on Qs.
There's that midnight open. You know, fucking tap it this time.
Breaks lows at scale half. Gold rejecting 20 EMA.
The midnight open price tagged. Nice.
5-point gain. ES covered half. Good stuff.
Freaking back tested. Fill my SPX. That's a new low of day on SPY. Same for IWM. I think Q's did it too, but
Yeah, Q's got it low. Sitting on a 3-minute 200 SMA there. It's probably gonna break through it, but so far a little bounce. What is it? 5-minute 200 SMA is $1 lower.
Let me text Sam.
nice fat candle on Apple. Equal those. Amazon and Microsoft look like they want to freaking pop this top.
Copy that top.
Yeah, I'm kind of digging this Oxy setup.
Beautiful short there on gold. Look at that. 20 EMA reject. Smash-a-roni, right? So CBC flips short, breaks the pivot. What are you going to do, right? You're either going to scalp it long back into the EMA, short the 20, or you're waiting for the 15-minute CBC to flip. Oh, my bad.
Oh, you goody.
Dude, I'm so sorry. I'm yelling.
Ah, you good. Okay. He's right.
I sold my meta into the 2-day POC right there. Nice, like 6% gain. Good dollar amount. I'm happy.
I didn't know he had anything. And then all of a sudden, I got up. All of a sudden, we got up from the couch, because he was on the couch. We got up from the couch, and he just went right under. I was like,
Didn't get filled on my short for the retest, and there's new lows breaking pre-market low on SPY into the gap. Dang. So close. So close.
But so far away.
Actually, no, because my limit order, it actually went to it in $2 higher, but it just didn't fill. It was on it.
Seven-point gain MES covered a quarter.
Let's go.
All right, 4 trades, 4 wins. Not a bad idea to lock and walk here soon for the listeners.
Yeah.
Microsoft near high day.
Yes, looks like it wants to tap 7,500.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. London or below, I got 496.75 as well for a liquidity sweep target. Hold short. See if it flips short again here, then you could short the next 15-minute green, facing risk on the previous candle high or 20 EMA area, 15-minute.
Fat red candle down on WM.
Batty.
Blame my broker for not filling me short, piece of shit. Although honestly, I'm going through like a lot of charts. I don't see a lot of things that I like at all. Home builders right now are your weakest sector, down over 2%. Your strongest sector right now is energy.
Shimmy, shimmy.
I don't think it did yet. I don't think Jersey Mike's IPO'd yet. You know, they were talking about it. They're like going to, but I don't think they
Jersey
did.
Mike goes public next Thursday is when it should begin trading.
Next Thursday. Nice. I'm not allowed to trade that stock because I have insider information. But I'm going to short the shit out of it. Has anyone actually looked into the numbers for Jersey Mike's IPO?
I have not.
It's pretty insane. You should look at the valuation that they're putting on themselves.
I haven't looked into it at all, but that's going to be a beautiful short, I'm sure. At first.
I saved. Let me see if I can pull up because I had a write up on it.
And
There's
then-
that 200
and then
SMA.
become an add to the long term. Are we adding Jersey Mike's to the long term portfolio, folks? Long Mike's Way sandwiches. I mean,
Oh yeah, when do they go? When do they go public?
I could get on board. Let's see. Intends to price its shares between $21 and $25 with the official trading date expected in late July.
Mm.
We are in late July. So better happen in this week.
What happens soon, Mr. Mike?
So, Jersey Mike's, when they go public, their their valuation that they're putting themselves at is $12 billion. All right. $12 billion. That company is still about $2 billion into debt. And I honestly think this is the reason why they're trying to IPO.
Get that cash.
Yeah, so I think they're really about to start cutting a lot of corners internally to save money. And then they're going to IPO this high valuation, and they're trying to get themselves out of this $2.1 billion into debt. Because, dude, if you look at them right now, okay, their proposed valuation right now is $12 billion. All right, so I want to pull it up to make sure I say it correctly.
For the record, I think they got bought by PE like a year or two ago. So, I mean, it's just PE dumping it on you.
Let me see if I can pull it up. There it is.
On your head
All right.
top.
On your head top.
So, do you know what their net profit was last year? It was $55 million.
Okay.
So now in 2026, they're going to IPO of an expected valuation of $12 billion. For anyone that doesn't know that math, that is 218 times the amount.
Dude, is Jersey Mike's the next meme stop?
No,
So-
stop.
Dude, so to put this into perspective for other restaurant stocks, all right, Chipotle was like 30 to 35x. McDonald's was about 20 to 25x. Jersey Mike's IPO is going to be 218 times X.
Goodness.
Hey, you can't
Like-
forget the Cheesecake Factory. What the
Hey.
fuck?
Like, this is, they are pricing
So we're
this
fading
thing
Mike's way.
so
We're fading Mike's
aggressively.
We're fading.
Dude, that's gnarly.
By the way, look at it. I just pulled up Cheesecake. Damn, that thing's been fucking running.
What's the ticker for Cheesecake Factory?
Just cake.
Just cake. Yeah.
Just kidding.
Dude, that thing's been fucking running.
Cake.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that run has been cake. Wow. Whole lot of cake.
Have you looked at CBRL lately?
Cracker Barrel.
Bro,
mean,
record, bro.
Ooh.
It just had earnings recently. That thing gapped up big. That stock almost doubled off the lows.
Wow,
Fuck it. Let's only invest in restaurant
But
stocks.
yeah, we're over here trading, Mag 7s, and we could be trading Cracker Barrel and Cheesecake Factory making money.
I need to build a time machine. Go back in time to 94 and just tell my parents Long Cheesecake Factory. Put everything you have in the Cheesecake Factory.
No, Long Monster.
Yeah, right. Yeah. That one is crazy.
It's actually crazy that was the highest gainer stock at one point. If not, still is. I don't remember.
The percentage is ridiculous.
Yeah.
So giant of a number.
Oh, we rejected 700 again, by the way, on Qs on that bounce.
Shorty ass, 15-minute CBC.
Not good.
Not good is that.
Blackstone also bought out Jersey Mike's recently. I think it was like for $8 billion. So I think that also maybe plays a factor for their valuation, saying that it's $12 billion, just so they can potentially exit in the future at a higher value. But so I love Jersey Mike's. I think it's great, but
Same.
they're going to increase their prices now on all their
100%.
on all their inventory and their sandwiches. So you're going to notice that I think it was about a week or two ago, they already started doing it at a lot of their stores, and now they're going to start cutting corners on how they receive and get everything as well, to save money as well. and they're just trying to put some more pressure to improve their quarterly earnings and giving themselves this 218 times freaking valuation on themselves for the time being.
Justification.
I'll probably long term own it, but short term, I think that thing needs to sell off and come back down to reality a little bit.
It's like the restaurant version of SpaceX.
Trying 700 here again, by the way.
That's yeah. That was the
Casey.
first thing that I thought about, honestly.
Casey, by the way, Blackstone, August 21st, 127 calls. Funny you just said that. And I'm also doing Blackstone, July 31st, 125 calls. It has earnings on Thursday, and it's on the earnings scanner.
Let me take a look, sees.
And it's down as of right now. That's why I just got it.
Let's see what we got here, Daddy.
You're gonna learn today.
It's been in a weekly squeeze as well since the beginning of June. It's just been consolidating down here. This is either going to be a freaking huge reversal upside, or this little wedge pennant is just going to knife this thing straight down to 100.
That was a 70-cent pop on 2 ticks.
Yeah, IWM got the most volume out of that one. RTY popping stronger. A lot of volume came in on it. Let me go pull up your thingy-majigga. I gotta learn how to use this scanner a little bit better.
For earnings, I only focus on stair step or stare down. Actually, just popped off of that, but I'm still gonna hold it.
Where do you see yes?
On the earnings page. I'm gonna make that a little bit cleaner, that page, but
there we go.
On the earnings page.
Okay, on the earnings page, stair stepper.
So it was there for the past like 3 days. It must have just changed, but at this point, I'm still gonna hold it because I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I only see the other one on there for Wednesday now.
Yeah, and I'm not trading that garbage.
No, me either.
AMC was on it this morning too, which is funny. Sorry, it was on it actually the last few days.
I got some starters in Meta 670 calls.
Let's go.
Ooh.
I like it.
Meta shoe.
I want to buy more, but like I missed it this morning. It was probably a good buy.
Did it make a new high of day? It's trying. Where are those 660 calls sitting at now?
I don't know why it's not coming up on there actually.
Have they bought any more? Not on the 660s for Friday, but they bought them at 795.
I don't know why it's not showing up there, Casey, because it didn't change on the thing, and STM just came back. I might have to play with something. It might be like glitching a little bit. We're trying to get back under 700 here on Qs.
Yeah, it's looking choppy. Those Meta 660s from earlier when they were at 800 from the flow call out, they are now at 930. They're up about $130 per contract here. Popping up a little bit.
Holding that midnight open.
Bye-bye, Apple.
Oh, is Apple just gone?
Yeah, she just got another rug candle right
She's a
there.
goner. Oh, new low a day. Yeah. Ooh.
Where are my puts? Can I
Heavy,
trim?
fast
Oh! Oh, my premiums are popping a little bit. Okay.
Brother. Ugh. What happened?
Oh, your
Over
inputs?
300. I took two separate ones. I took one in my main account and also my 10K swing account.
I had
I'm about to
puts.
trim in my main account here in a second.
Yeah, I had puts last week at
Hand me a
330,
short 3-minute EMA again.
around 333. And I sold them the next day around under 330. I had 330 puts. I just got out of them because, I mean, it's been Apple. It's been fucking
All right.
just going.
I just filled at 305 on Apple on these puts.
All right, guys, I'm out. I will see you all tomorrow.
See you later,
That
mate.
Yeah, take it easy.
See ya. Bye, guys.
Enjoy.
Bye, Meeks.
Dollar's still grinding higher. Not great for the market.
Mm-mm.
Almost at Wednesday's high of last week. Close. Where is that level? 101.29. 10 cents higher. Oh, Apple, bye-bye. Oh, goodness.
Big volume on Apple here, 325 break. Oh, diddly diddly.
I'm just starting to move. That was choppy. It's at high day now of 5%. S&DK is still at 4.5. It's been choppy though since open. Poor Tesla. I just can't catch a break. This thing. Someone call the ambulance, bro. She's choking out. She's having a fucking stroke. Oh my god. It's brutal.
I want to see 323.50 down to 322 potentially on Apple. Microsoft new highs.
No high all day.
Hmm. Nice bouncer right there.
Meta new high.
Damn. Nice to see some strength there after it getting kind of hit over the past few weeks.
Yeah, I mean, it got that huge move down on Friday. It filled the gap downside, but they bought it back up. And then if you look at today's candle right now as well, same thing. They're buying it up, lower bottom wick, reclaiming daily 9, and now you have a gap fill above that gets above like 652.20, all the way back up to 660. So I think that one looks good.
Casey, did you open a spread?
I still haven't been filled now.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna close the order in like 13 minutes potentially. Yeah, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta all look good.
You said Netflix is back? Is it live?
Is she alive? She's alive.
Again. I just canceled my SPX because it's already up like 30-something% right now. Amazon 1 hour squeeze is bullish. Microsoft 1 hour squeeze will be bullish if this candle closes up in this area in 41 minutes. JPM 345 calls coming in for November.
Amazon's still pamping.
Yeah.
Frank's making cash on Meta.
Microsoft's
pamping.
Fucking target, dude. Apple new lows.
They're going for 400.
397.68, and then 400 after that to fill the rest of that gap. If it gets above 398.6, it's looking spicy. That hourly squeeze will probably take it there by like 12:30. I'd imagine. Did I just get filled on Apple? I had another trim set. I just got filled on Apple.
Here we go, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, all right. I'm not going to let this trade go red now.
See if they go back, test the 50% of the range here, 29.47.
I think Lowe's is in. I think that's pretty easy to see at the moment.
All right, there it is on Microsoft, 397.68.
Damn.
Still cruising higher. About to hit 50% of the range here. So you're marking it from low a day to, well, I'm extending it a little further. If you're just doing from the high a day to the low a day, it's 29.33. But I'm running it from Friday's high. So it's 20 points higher, 10 points higher.
I threw up top all the earnings that are happening this week. So if you guys want to bookmark that so you can stay up to date with all the earnings going on for this week, feel free. I'll pop up in a sec. Slow grind. That 0.5. Microsoft expanding its AMD partnership. Look at Microsoft today. Just running. Steady grind. Nvidia's trying to look better, but it's just stuck in this range from the morning. Dollar's starting to find some rejection. It's helping the market bounce.
Yep. I'm just waiting here. Waiting to see what we get, Tater. Okay. SPX is back to positive gamma. Q's has stayed positive gamma.
hasn't bucked the trend yet, but trying to roll over. Needs to really break back under 198. Gold's trying to cruise up. And almost fell below 4,000 and then decided it didn't want to. Daily chart's been gross though, just lower highs, lower lows. You have started to slow down on the lower lows and have gone sideways. But without us making any higher highs, with any momentum, it's just prone to make another lower low until we actually see some momentum. But I love how cheap gold is here relative to where we were trading not long ago. Just hard to buy it when you're not seeing any bullishness in price whatsoever on that bigger time frame. And again, the way I see it is even if you wait for some sort of confirmation like that, like even just waiting for higher highs to be made, you know, maybe that's some sort of EMA on your chart. Waiting for that to break and actually get some momentum over it, you're not going to give up a ton of gains to the upside. You know, there's so many grabbable highs above us that could become great targets, and waiting for a little confirmation isn't going to cost you a bunch of, like a big move on the chart or anything. So I don't know. That's the way I look at it, is it's not costing you anything really to wait for a little confirmation. Not going to miss out. You might have a higher entry than if you were to bottom ticket, but you're not going to take those losses that you would take trying to bottom ticket, you know? So I would argue the higher price in that context is actually a better entry, even though it's higher. Trying to get next leg up on NQ here. Dollar continues to slowly grind down.
Yeah.
Flat MES.
Heard that.
Pushing higher.
IM and RTY don't look horrible off the lows. Let's see if they can keep it up. Coming into these highs from 10:30 this morning. See if they keep the Momo or get slapped here. If you get momentum over this high, we start to rip. I'm going to think we're going back to that 220 area where that daily high is, but not until you see real momentum over those highs at 10:30.
Yeah, this just honestly looks good for like, if they could break over the 1030 high there around 702.30 on Qs. Obviously, NQ would be what 29,050. I mean, they have basically smooth sailing. I think into the hundreds to the high day.
Too. They just might rug your ass right here on a lower high beforehand.
Straight rug it.
Let's see that. Give it some time. It's 11:30. I'm getting into lunchtime here soon. Some decent moves this morning, though. Had a nice price run down. Which I was looking for, but I really wanted to see us tap into that daily high first. Which overall I'm happy I wait for. And to be honest, I'm looking back, trying to find, like, even if I did like it before that daily high got hit, I wouldn't have had an entry, to be honest. Yeah. We drilled so fast. I don't know, maybe off this order block. I don't know that I would have put my entry there. Wasn't obvious, so I don't even think I would have caught it regardless. What you got in Q? You got another leg?
We're sitting on VWAP for Qs. We're sitting on VWAP for Qs. NQ, we're on the 5-minute 50 SMA. So again, we break over this area and just break that 1030 high. Should be smooth sailing. It could be Purdy, Purdy.
Well, I say every time you send me a selfie.
Oh, you Purdy.
Amazon is cruising on up here in the 5-day. Apparently squeeze upside, that was bullish earlier, did fire for a little resistance up there in 252, 252.6. Look to see if they reject it right here first, and then they buy it up on pullback, and then rip it over this spot. Your same rejection earlier on SPX at 1030. It's also your 5-minute VWAP on QQQ, which also rejected at 1030 earlier. So I'd like to see them reject here, pull back down, hit a higher low, see some buyers step in. That'll make me feel good for buying the dip to eventually take this out and see if we can move back up to the highs.
Yeah, I'm still waiting to see if we get over that 1030. That's gonna be the biggest thing.
Amazon just got a meat missile.
A meat missile.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 252. I was looking for a dip buy on Apple at 325 for a scalp, and so far we're playing out. Okay.
Puts are still above your calls. SPY. But they're both kind of still sideways. You're not seeing an increase with either one. QQQ. Puts are also above your calls. Either one's increasing a little flat. Nice rejection will pay off here for a little dip. They could hold it right now. I just find the EMAs. I'd rather drop 40 points. Just scalp it.
Apple is bouncing off of those. Tesla's just down there.
Yo, pleasure trading, making money with you guys today. Let's do it all again tomorrow. See you later. Love you.
Catch you later.
By the way, if you guys are in the chat and you've been trading with us this morning, let us know. If you guys are green or red, throw 1 in the chat. If you guys are green, throw 2 in the chat. If you guys are red, and a 0 if you've taken no trades or a break even on the day. You guys can chat in that little purple bubble on the bottom right of your screen.
Hey, Banky.
eBay. New. Day.
Let's go. Thank you. Trying to get next leg up.
Here's a nice pop with your 5-minute EMAs.
Dollars also off. Interesting. See if they can do it. Trying to do it. Half back about to get hit.
Still stuck.
Yeah, it's just gross. Got 15 minutes till lunch.
For the listeners, I'm sure there's someone out there who's doing it right now, so I'm gonna say it. Don't say it's potential breakouts or breakdowns. You're just gonna get ran the fuck over. You're gonna go on tilt. In this price action, if you're thinking we're about to just break straight out, so you want to push higher and you chase that green candle up, and now seeing some tracing it, and then vice versa. If you're trying to chase downside, selling it to new lows to get to the pre-market lows and get to that gap, and then you got that bounce that stops you out. Don't chase the breakouts and the breakdowns today with this price action. There's no supporting volume behind majority of these. If anything, you just need to quick scout the opposites. Again, when you first came up here and did 5-minute VWAP on Qs, just looking at 10:30 highs earlier, just quick moves, short it. They always talk about shorting the green candles, right? Cover on the red candles. That's what you should be doing. You shouldn't be doing the opposite of that. To increase your risk to reward, you want to buy on red candles when things look like shit and areas of support buyers can step in at. You don't want to be buying on huge green candles when you're hoping for the breakout. You're just going to keep going. You're going to stack small losses over and over again by doing that. And at the end of the day, you're a big loss on your account. So take that from somebody who has done that plenty of times.
Yeah, not worth it. Not when there will be better price action.
Remember, no trade is winning. Sitting on your hands is winning.
Especially if you caught any of the nice swings that we had this morning. We didn't have some of these price action early on before 10 o'clock. I mean, go home happy then.
Bentley! Leave him alone. Don't lick his face.
Damn, boom.
There's a growth portfolio on rallies is buying more here. Hit that gap on the daily. Starts at 820.30, goes to 751. We're bouncing from there so far. If you guys aren't following the Rallies Arena account, you guys should. You can track all the portfolios from what they post on there, or you guys can just download Rallies yourself and get on there and be able to track it in real time. But Rallies Arena, the account, they do a good job of doing updates on stocks that it's buying more of or selling out of. pretty cool to see the performance. Let's see. Grump on brand new. What's Grump? Oh, Gronk's up like 40%. Jeez. Since November last year. Trading $100,000. It's doing well.
Sorry, I got a phone call.
Oh no, you're good.
A phone call from the weed man. And that is not the drug dealer, that is the landscaper.
The Lansky.
Nvidia's getting a fat ranking in the right here, and that is another great dollar spot. Again on NQ, the exact same spot. See, look, what I was saying
You just said it. Don't log the breakout.
Yeah.
Break down.
Look to do the opposite first until proven otherwise in this small range.
Look to do damn nothing.
Yeah, I mean, that's essentially what I'll do. Hold on, fucking.
Okay. You done playing?
Although Microsoft new high today. See Apple reject these 5-minute EVAs and just continue to die. Tesla is drilling now with some increased volume within the last 15 minutes, new lows. Excellent. Oxy still looking good.
Well, slow market getting into lunchtime here. We're gonna have Paul from Leverage here hopping on the stream here. So I think I'm gonna go and
I need help.
join in next to the crew over there. Low this morning. We need that midnight open though. We're tracing from there. We'll see if we want to break over that 1030 high and get some momentum, or if we just kind of fake out, look above, and fail over that high and come back into the range. That's right where the
Okay, guys. I'm gonna hop off here. I'll be in chat.